Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap 3D printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a great deal for its price and a top pick for curious tinkerers looking for an easy-to-use introduction to 3D printing. It shows improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling over previous Ender-3 models we've tested. Despite minor issues like noise, vibration, and a print bed that needs to be treated with glue, it's a highly capable and affordable budget 3D printer. Good for newbies and tinkerers on a budget, the Ender-3 V3 is an excellent, easy-to-use open-frame 3D printer. It requires minimal assembly and setup is a cinch. The V3 produces speedy, high-quality prints with minimal hiccups. 3D printing technology. Fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported. PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Number of print colors. 1. Number of extruders. 1. Frame design. Open. Maximum build area, HWD. 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 inches. Top print resolution. 350 microns. LCD screen. Primary interfaces. Wi-Fi. Built-in 3D scanner. Dimensions, HWD. 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 inches. Weight. 17.2 pounds. Warranty, parts/labor. Number 2. AnkerMake M5C 3D printer. The surprisingly affordable AnkerMake M5C open-frame 3D printer is easy to assemble and to use. It has a generous print area for its price, and our testing shows it is capable of high-quality prints, even with the default settings in the slicer software. Having the ability to control the printer from a mobile device is a nice touch. We also like the availability of the fast 500 mm per second mode. The M5C supports printing with various filaments, including PLA, PLA+, PTG, ABS, TPU, carbon fiber, and wood composite. AnkerMake provides its own software for print preparation, but according to the company, you can alternatively use Ultimaker Cura or Prusa Slicer. Overall, the $400 AnkerMake M5C is an excellent choice for both beginners and 3D printing veterans. It is easy to put together and supports a wide variety of filaments. The M5C's included toolkit adds even more value for people just starting a 3D printing hobby, with Allen wrenches, a filament cutter, and an extra extruder nozzle. 3D printing technology. Fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported. ABS, composite, PLA. Number of print colors. 1. Number of extruders. 1. Frame design. Closed. Maximum build area, HWD. 9.3 by 9.2 by 9.8 inches, HWD. Top print resolution. 50 microns. LCD screen. Primary interfaces. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C. Built-in 3D scanner. Dimensions, HWD. 18.9 by 18.9 by 14.7 inches. Weight. 24.2 pounds. Warranty, parts/labor. Number 3. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro. The Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro is an impressive open-frame 3D printer that supports high-temperature printing, which ensures its compatibility with a wide range of filaments. The S1 Pro produced some striking-looking prints with intricate detail in testing. Setting up this printer is a breeze, since most of the machine comes pre-assembled. It is a welcome addition to the 3D printer middle ground, sure to satisfy both 3D printing newbies and experienced creators looking for an affordable printer. You don't have to be a pro to appreciate the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro, an easy-to-use 3D printer that's an excellent gateway for curious hobbyists as well as rookies looking to start an adventure in the world of 3D printing. Easy to install and manage, the S1 Pro is a top model for newcomers, and its support for various filament types makes it a good choice for experienced users as well. The quality of the prints isn't perfect, but they're good enough considering the S1 Pro's relatively modest price. 3D printing technology. Fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported. PLA, ABS, wood, TPU, PA, PET. Number of print colors. 1. Number of extruders. 1. Frame design. Open. Maximum build area, HWD. 10.7 by 8.7 by 8.7 inches. Top print resolution. 400 microns. LCD screen. Primary interfaces. SD card, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. Built-in 3D scanner. Dimensions, HWD. 24.6 by 19.2 by 17.9 inches. Weight. 18.9 pounds. Warranty, parts/labor. Smarter and faster, the Ender-3 V3 KE 3D printer can print at up to 500 mm per second speed with 8000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, allowing you to complete the models efficiently. The smart algorithms can mitigate the fused deposition modeling printer's vibrations for minimal ringing or ghosting and optimize the feeding flow for fewer blobs and oozes. Ultra-smooth motion, the precise linear rail on the x-axis has a carriage slide containing ball bearings, making each move accurate, steady, and frictionless, 0.04 friction coefficient *. It is built out of stiff steel and will stay new even after long use. 300 degrees Celsius printing supports more filaments. Creality 3D printer can handle Hyper PLA, PTG, ABS, TPU, 95A, and ASA filaments. Pick the right one to print whatever daily item, part, or product you like. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer represents great value in a sub-$500 3D printer, consistently producing good quality prints in our testing, including some jumbo-sized objects. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation proves easy enough. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. The Neptune 4 Plus is good for frugal hobbyists and daring newcomers looking to produce large prints. Some basic assembly is required, but setup is relatively easy, and our testing shows that it consistently prints good quality objects. Advanced users will appreciate the fact that the Neptune supports a wide range of filament types. 3D printing technology. Fused deposition modeling, FDM. Materials supported. ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Number of print colors. 1. Number of extruders. 1. Frame design. Open. Maximum build area, HWD. 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 inches. Top print resolution. 100 microns. LCD screen. Primary interfaces. USB thumb drive, Wi-Fi. Built-in 3D scanner. Dimensions, HWD. 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 inches. Weight. 32 pounds. Warranty, parts/labor. Warranty, parts/labor. Number 5. Toybox 3D printer. Not only is the Toybox 3D printer quite affordable, but it is also a device that kids can enjoy with minimal supervision and use to output some nifty toys. A parent will be needed for the initial setup, which involves creating a free account, downloading an app, and syncing your mobile device with the printer, and there should always be an adult around during use by younger children. You can print from a mobile device or through a browser, selecting printable objects from Toybox's generous selection or designing your own. Our testing shows printing is smooth, with no misprints. Filament-wise, it's PLA only, which is the best choice for beginners. The Toybox 3D printer is designed for use by children and young people. Toybox Labs suggests a minimum age of 5, as well as adult supervision. The printer should be fun for people of any age. Printing with it is a good activity to bring parents and children together. You can import and print 3D files from outside its ecosystem, but the process can be tricky. That, combined with its minuscule build area and the fact that its filament is limited to PLA, make the Toybox a specialty printer unsuitable for general use. Still, it's a great choice for its young target audience. Even better, it won't break the bank. 3D printing technology. Fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials supported. PLA. Number of print colors. 1. Number of extruders. 1. Frame design. Open. Maximum build area, HWD. 3.5 by 3.1 by 2.8 inches. Top print resolution. 200 microns. LCD screen. Primary interfaces. Wi-Fi. Built-in 3D scanner. Dimensions, HWD. 9.1 by 7.4 by 7.4 inches. Weight. 6.6 pounds. Warranty, parts/labor.